M0FXB Hamtech, welcome to my channel. TIDRADIO H3 model. Let's download the software. The link will be in the description. Click download here. It's asking us to log in, so we'll quickly do that. Whilst it's downloaded, we've plugged into the right hand side. There's a USB-C in the radio. Right click device manager. I'll just show you that. We double click it, COM ports, and you'll see there USB serial CH340, so that's all good. Let's have a look at the software. Just here. Double click, and we've got a few details here. Let's have a look. Links to download. Firmware, we're not doing firmware now. Let's have a look inside here. TX Power Tune. What's that? Never seen that before. Let's have a quick look. Because I know it was only doing 4 watts, so maybe this helps it. Just gonna install it and just have a look what it is. Alright, I think I did too many times there. Because I clicked too many times. Anyway, so we only want one. Let's see if we got one here. We've got the H3 and the H3. Oh, the IAP, I've seen that. The IAP one, this one here, is for loading firmware. That's this one. We might have a go at that. I'll see what firmware we've got. But anyway, let's have a look at this Power Tune one. So we'll go start. What is this thing? Oh, that is the programming software, isn't it? It seems to be. I've not seen this before. 440 receive frequency, transmit. What's all that about? Anyway, this is weird, but I just want programming software for now. Which is here. GMRS ham or unlocked. Let's try the unlock one for now. Run that and see what happens. There it goes. H3. Finish. Right, let's try that. Start. Fire it up. Aha, we have software. Now let's see if it's going to use our COM port. So I'm just trying to make this fit in the window so you can see what I'm doing. So we're going to go set communication port. There's our version. Come on then, find the communication port. Right, so we right click device manager. Double click and it's COM 11. There's 11, click OK. And then read. Yeah, that's working, and that's a USB-C cable on the side of the radio. I have put some memories in there. We can get the names in now. So it's working fine, you know. Let's put a couple of names in. So that one is HubNet. That's GB3WR. So much quicker than using even the phone app. GB3BC. You do have to tell it to show you these channels. In the menu, you just choose to show either frequency or name. GB, I think that's 3ZB, that one. No, that's FI. FI, and then GB3ZB. No, it's GB3WB. So I think that's enough for now. What else can we look at here? About. So there's our, just says version 2. I'm not going to change my firmware at the moment because it seems to be very good firmware. It's got some good bands on there. So machine info. Model type H3 is what we've got. What else? Optional features. That's pretty much your menu. See the way it says name and frequency there? Choose. I'm putting the name at the top on the A band and frequency on the B. Breathe LED. So I'll leave it longer. I like the LED longer. Voice prompt on. Light control. Squelch. Language. Dual watch. Scan. So it all seems good. Mic gain. Lamp. This is the shortcut. So you got the one for the torch, yeah. The long key is the FM radio. And we can add more to our message here. We can put M0FXB. You could probably add a photograph if you really wanted to, I reckon. I'll just leave it like that for now. Put it on message, why not? FM radio, Vox gain. Click OK, and then we can write that to the radio. Right. That'll give us all our memory channels. The radio very briefly reboots. I know you can't see it. Okay. So that'll do for now. I'm going to close down now. It does do DTMF. Looks like you got some presets there as well. If you want to do one. Common one that I use is star 341522. I might as well send that to the radio. It's very fast actually. Click OK, close. Now regarding firmware, we'll just quickly look at that. This looks like the firmware one here. If it lets me move it up. You literally just open the file, and remember we just downloaded the file, the firmware. If I go up to downloads, no, it's not there. I don't really want to play with firmware, but let's just say we did. We would just open the file here and click start. And with the other TID radio you've got, you turn the radio on and off and it starts to load here along the bottom. You might have to do it a couple of times, but it does work. I'll do it in another video. If you want to change the GMRS radio, you might have to do that. So thanks for watching my channel, and hopefully that will help you. 7-3, all the best.